Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Vikas and today we are going to see how to create list in HTML. This is our fourth session of UI development class for free. Guys, there are so many uses of list. When we have to create list, that time we can use list tag. For example, currently IPL is going. If you have to create list of any team's player, okay, that time we can use list, okay, or you can create the list of teams, anything. Just for example, I am showing you that. So first, now today we are going to see how to create list in HTML. So there are two types of list in HTML. Number one, ordered list, and number two, unordered list. So what is ordered list? When list come with order like 1 2 3 4 5 6, like this numbers or Roman letters 1 2 3 4, or ABCD capital, ABCD small, ABCD, that options are in order list. Okay, next thing, unordered list. So what is unordered list? In unordered list, we don't get numbers, we get symbols in front of our list, like list items like a star or bullet, like, okay. So we'll do it practically. For that, what we have to do, we have to open our Visual Studio Code. So here is Visual Studio Code. Here is our folder HTML tutorial. So we just created our folder. Uh, Let me close other files. Cancel. Don't save. Okay. So finally our folder open, and that yesterday's file tags.html. Okay. So we will close this file, and now we will going to create new file. So guys, here look, for this first icon, we can create new file from clicking here. Next, we can create new folder by clicking here. So we are going to create new file. For that, what the name we give, list.html. Okay, list.html. So now we have to write our HTML code, basic syntax, uh, doc type HTML. Okay, then HTML open, HTML close. Inside that, head open, head close. Inside that, title open, title close. Okay, and after head we have to write body open, body close. So this is the basic syntax of HTML, and we have to right click and format document. Okay, so this is the proper format. Okay, now in title we will write list in HTML. Okay, now in body, as I said, there are two types of list in HTML: order list and unordered list. So first we are going to see order list. So for order list, we have to use one tag, OL tag. Which tag? OL. OL tag, opening tag and closing tag. Okay, so simply OL stand for ordered list. Okay, in that we have to use another subtag, that is li tag. Okay, so OL stand for order list and li stands for list item. Whatever item we want in this list, we have to mention in that li tag. Okay, so first, which list we are going to create? One thing I will do, I will take one h1 tag here, h1 tag here, and I will write IPL. Okay, or I will write Indian Premier League. Okay, if spelling mistake, no problem. Okay, Indian and okay, this Indian Premier League. Now in list, what we have to mention? We have to mention teams. Okay, so first we have to mention Mumbai Indians. Okay, then we have to another add another team. What we have to do? Simply we have to use ally tag. Okay, and capital small doesn't matter, but we should go with small letter. Okay, ally open, ally close. Now second, Chennai Super Kings. Okay, next again, what you have to do? Take ally tag, ally, then Hyderabad Sunrisers Hyderabad. Okay, Sunrisers Hyderabad. Next, what do you have to do? Ally. Look, here I am taking capital tag. Then also we will get output. Okay, so that is the specialty of HTML. If you take capital also, small also, it will give output. So next team is which team? Bangalore Royal Challengers. Okay, next, ally, Delhi Capitals. Okay, next, ally, which teams are remaining? Mumbai, Chennai, Hyderabad, Bangalore, Delhi, and Punjab. Yes, Punjab. What is the name of Punjab? Kings 11 Punjab. Okay. Next team is Rajasthan. Rajasthan Royals. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Which one team is remaining? Yeah, Kolkata. Kolkata Knight Riders. Okay. So all these 8 teams. Okay. We have written. Now we have to simply save this file. Okay. By using Control S, we can save, or simply we can go in File and click on Save. Okay. Now we have to run this file. Okay. So simply what we have to click Alt plus B, or we can right click and click here Open with Live Server. Okay. So look what happened. Output came with numbers. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So like this we can get output. Okay. Body we will take some alignment. Yeah, we got this in center. but okay, once we do it, line is equal to okay, leave it. We have to use CSS, and currently we have to focus on HTML. That's why I won't use CSS here, because I don't want to confuse those who don't know anything about this technology. So simply look, we got this output. Okay, now what we got numbers. Okay, 1 2 3. There is one attribute in OL tag. We can use type attribute. OL type is equal to, look, 1 2 3 4 5 type of uh, in 5 type we can represent our list. Like currently we are using 1 2. Okay, by default comes return. Now we will use capital letters. Okay, so for that we have to select a type is equal to into double brackets, sorry, double quotes, capital A, control S, and refresh. What happened? Look here, A B C D E F G H. Similarly we can change to Roman letters. Okay, look, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Guys, that time I haven't refreshed. Why? Because we have opened this file with live server. Okay, so if you want, you can download live server in your Visual Studio Code. We have to go here in extensions. Okay, this these extensions, and you have to search here live server. Okay, so there you got so many options. So select whatever have most the download. Okay, because uh, we download that one which is good one. Okay, so more people downloaded means that is good one, we can consider that. Okay, so you can download live server from here and install. Next, okay, back to our topic. So now we got in Roman numbers. Now we can get in small alphabet also by typing small a. Okay, so refresh. No need of refresh. Look, A B C D E F G H. Okay. Now again, what is remaining? 1 2 done, Roman done, capital done, small done. You will see this done, this remaining. Okay. Yeah. Look, capital Roman letters. Okay. So in this way we can use OL tag, order list. Okay. Now second type of list is unordered list. So how we can going to create unordered list? So simply we have to use UL tag. Which tag? UL. U stands for unordered and L stands for list. So again, what we will do? We will take some H1 tag and write some name. What we will write? INDI, Team India. Okay. Now we have to use here UL tag. Okay, capital small doesn't matter, but we should write in small, no problem. Okay, UL tag. Now similarly here also we have to take li tag. Okay, list item. Now day before yesterday only the squad declared for Australia tour. Okay, so we will write here the names of the player. Number one, we should use capital Virat Kohli, bracket, captain. Okay. So next we have to use Li. I think Rohit Sharma is not included in this squad because I think he is injured. So we have to use Li. Second, Shikhar. Shikhar. What is the spelling here? Shikhar. S-H-I-K. Shikhar. Okay. No. Shikhar Dhawan. I think H is there. Shikhar. Don't worry. Okay. I will remove that. I will write Gabbar only. Okay. No problem with spelling. Then Li tag KL Rahul. Okay. KL Rahul. Wicket keeper and vice captain also. Okay. This is ODI squad. Okay. Li. Then SHREY Shreyas Iyer. The spelling AYER. Okay. Iyer. Oh, I don't know yeah spelling. Okay, Shreyas is okay. Next Li. Then next is who is the next one here? I think Bumrah. Jasprit Bumrah. Okay. Next is Shami. Okay. Next is Chahal. Okay. Next is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Next one, who is our next one? Chahar. Okay, Deepak Chahar. Next is Hardik Pandya. Okay. Next is who is the next here? Rishabh is there is one day. No, Rishabh is not in one day squad. I think Virat. Yeah, Pandey I think Manish Pandey. I think Manish Pandey in T20 squad, but it's okay. Next, yeah, Saini. Navdeep Saini. Next one is Sanju Samson. Sanju Samson. Okay. And the next one is Varun Chakravarti. I think he is for T20, but okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 member. We will have to add another two members. I think, yeah, Mayank Agarwal. Mayank Agarwal. Okay, Mayank Agarwal. Next one, Virat Kohli, KL Rahul, Shreyas Iyer, Mayank Agarwal, and what is that? Manish Pandey done. one more bowler, I think Shami done. Bhuvneshwar Kumar, yes. Bhuvneshwar Kumar. Okay, 15 squad done. Okay, so this is done. You have to go to the browser and look. Our team India is ready for Australia tour. Virat Kohli, Gabbar, KL Rahul, Shreyas Iyer, Jasprit Bumrah, Sami Char, Pandya, Manish Pandey, Navdeep Saini, Sanju Samson, Varun Chakravarti, Mayank Agarwal, Bhuvneshwar Kumar. Okay, so we created the list. Now there are also look by default this type of bullets come, but we can change. How? Similarly, we have to use type here. Type is equal to, you have to use circle. I think spelling mistake. Unordered list. Yeah, type is equal to ul. Type is equal to, we have to disk. Okay, look, refresh. Why it won't working? Unordered list. Type is equal to disk square as QUAI square. Yes, look, we got the squares now. We got the squares. Now next we have to use disk, disk. Okay, fresh. Look, we got the disk, and last we have to circle. CRCLE, circle. Yes. Look, we got the circle. Look, this Team India for Australia tour. We got the circle. These IPL teams. So this is how we can get output by creating the list in HTML. So guys, please practice this at home. Hope all of you understand the concept. It is very easy concept here, but while creating the website, it is very useful because somewhere we need to create list now. If you are going to create any kind of website, you have to add list of topics. For example, you have website of food restaurant. Okay, so you have to make the list of foods. That time we can go with that tag, ul tag, ol tag, any kind. Okay, so this is very important, simple but very important. So please practice this at home. And if you are new to channel, please subscribe. If you are already subscribed the channel, then no need of subscribing again. But if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and share this video to your friends who want to learn UI, because this is totally free and I am teaching you from scratch. Okay, from very basic level I am teaching you, and I am going to teach the topics which are important only. Okay, so this is also good and important only. So please practice, and see you in the next session. Thank you guys, thank you so much.